What is a neuron? A neuron, also called a nerve cell, is the basic unit of our nervous system. Each neuron is like a tiny messenger that carries information throughout our body. Structure of a neuron. Let's look closely at the parts of a neuron. 1. Cyton. This is the main body of the neuron. It's like the control center, containing the nucleus, which is the brain of the cell. 2. Dendrites and dendrons. These are fibers that extend from the cyton. Dendrites, these are short branching fibers that look like the roots of a tree. Dendrites receive messages from other neurons. Dendrons, these are extensions of the cyton that branch out further into dendrites. They help increase the surface area for receiving messages. 3. Axon. This is a long single fiber that extends from the cyton. It's like a telephone wire that carries messages away from the neuron to other neurons, muscles or glands. The axon is covered by a protective layer called the myelin sheath. How neurons communicate. Messages travel along neurons in the form of electrical signals called impulses. These impulses are like waves of chemical changes that move very quickly. Even though neurons are close to each other, they don't actually touch. There is a tiny gap between them called a synapse. This is where the axon terminal of one neuron comes very close to the dendrite of another neuron. Nerves. Bundles of neuron fibers. When many nerve cells join end to end, they form a nerve. Nerves are like cord-like structures that contain a bundle of neuron fibers. These nerves act like cables, carrying messages to and from different parts of the body. Types of nerves. There are 3 main types of nerves based on their function. 1. Sensory nerves. These nerves carry messages from our sense organs like eyes, ears, skin to the brain, and spinal cord. They help us feel touch, pain, temperature, and other sensations. 2. Motor nerves. These nerves carry messages from the brain and spinal cord to our muscles and glands. They tell our muscles to contract and move, and they control the actions of our glands. 3. Mixed nerves. These nerves have both sensory and motor fibers. They carry messages in both directions, from the sense organs to the brain, and from the brain to the muscles and glands.